Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna break the back lip from this. Let's see, we can do this with the channel. Then we can just, that's how you need to do it. Or nice. So it needs to look like this. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some glue, not too much. Push it in the tongue and groove, and then we're gonna push it back. Okay? Nice. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put here, and we're gonna put one on the top. Perfect. Here you don't need to put too many because it's holding up the tongue and groove. Okay? Last piece, and this was easy. Here we're going to do the same thing, so we can push this in. We're going to break the groove, the lower lip. Nice and easy. And I already cut the back lip, so and you can see it's still gonna hold because we need to push it in and then bring it back. So let's see if with Hardwood. Let's put some glue. I don't need too much. Okay. Oh. Nice. Bring it back. It's very nice. Yep.